Hi everyone, I'm the Senior Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel.
It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the first video published in 2024. I am not slowing down and, despite adverse weather conditions, I am carrying out another repair. This time, it's the rear hub replacement in a Ford C-Max. On one side, I drive the wheel onto a ramp, and on the other side, I lift it with a trolley jack. Next, I had to remove the wheel, brake disc, caliper, brake pads, and the carrier. At this point, a problem occurred. The caliper spring had rusted, and I couldn't remove it. I had to gently bend it over to remove the brake caliper. Before unscrewing the bolt securing the hub to the suspension arm, it is worth heating it with a gas torch around the threaded joints. Now I am disconnecting the ABS sensor, which is part of the wheel hub assembly, and loosening the 4 bolts from the inside. Once we've dealt with that, a couple of taps with a hammer, and the wheel hub is out. Be careful not to drop this piece on your foot. When assembling the new hub with the bearing, I used a thread locker and tightened it to the appropriate torque setting. You can find the torque specifications in the description below this video. I put everything back together and considered the repair complete. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section. If you enjoy this material and was helpful for you, leave the thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you would like more of this content. All the best and see you soon in the next video.